wa yari egbo wa e ma ni union wa iya the cooperative iya o na wo yobo no wa ni the union wa wo yobo egbo wa iladian wa ye UK no wa ya sin won wa oni am wa UK wa de una wa ni bu wa na economy da egbo wa e wa ni rasa the country ala iya ari edo iya do wo yobo no wa iya mu wa ye webo wa ni ruwe the country wa ma we egbo wa osi wa pa bu wa wuna wa ni bu ya kori egbo wa gossip egbo wa for you guys to come out and plan well on how to give this woman a befitting burial. But why you can at this kind moment, at this kind of critical time? Can we everybody see your heart drama? Can you I came suspension the last 2 years ago, 3 years ago. The same character is still in you people's blood. What trying to feel me with you? Amaha Moria will get all waiting ideology. Even man on one time. As the truth, when you book here lack but it's the truth. It's the problem association have. Benin music industry and moving industry. This is their problem. Upper musician, ASM musician, Ogida musician, the same atrocities runs alongs all of them all. In ya no marigbi. Wa mi e bana, only tag alawebo. If you Ogida musician, in ya celebrate. Upper musician ya fi hoyi mahon. E mogo paki alawebo, JGC really lawebo. Upper musician ya celebrate. Ogida musician when na meginya mahon. And you all are all speaking one language, Edo wayaze. And you are all singing one music for Edo people. But you guys does not love yourself. It's the truth. Oname union. I don't understand. We all are all doing one particular thing. In an APC, you have a PDP, you have a APP. Who were those states in the marginal musician, the moving industry. It is very bad. Menya gani ha wi memwa wo gida me bowaji ne wi ya sunu da won ropa ni wo won ropa ni ma concern ni o ne wi ya sunu da won rikpo bai iwo won rikpo bai ma so ma kan o won ro wenya e bi no sunu da won ro wenya hu da ri bere sa play road iwo bi no sunu da won ro nya o ma kan o bi no sunu da won ro e bi nya ti e ugusi o bi no sunu da won ro luku me no re It has. It will not soon down or look my concern even, and we are all one belief. We no bow if yet to what that we all. Always shall not make an getting a dust tree. It talk a dust or dust tree. Because in what open so am I, and what am I when I see a woman, a wafija, a boy in our Latian, a boy in those winner. And what I look of your egbinage easy. I walk easy, very easy. You understand? When no waredo, we are alone. No way out there going. What a leku, what saga, what yerati, Rovia butter, Rovia booby. When no red, no what back body UK, I will carry UK. Or ya will carry UK. No, maybe no ya will UK. Oh, ya at the drama of UK. Where get person, no person. Are you a gual visa? Ya are UK. And what ya turn on what to Macame? Are you a gual visa? Ya are UK. And when you get them back on Yagri, I will all my UK. In a visa lava. Ipak Muna. No one went back no negative and walk with no walk with Are visa. I need you. I need you. Oh, it's a UK now. We are totally warmer. To a big girl here. Who you are the best actress in Benin? Who are the finest actress in Benin? Don't first. Who say UK? You ask squad the common of squad the common. You have not Yote. With as a big girl, say you to lodge Yote na. Isaga. I am web no. Sister boy. At the end of the day, you come to UK, you started constituting nuisance. Do hale lo give away come okpa wa ye gbeji. Hon we tu wa ye platform wa la dian do wa account na la na wa ya support. This is the funniest part of it all. This woman is the only social media presenter, social media bloggers in the diaspora that promote Edo culture. The one and only social media bloggers. Why are you drama? Are you drama? Why are you drama with the industry? Go to Sharon OKPAMEN page. You will see you there. Take boy of Yao, Usasuli West, Obonamere, Greg, you know, Omoruyi Jeff, the more where Omoruyi Jeff, the more where Konumu Sharon, Omonobia, the moon, Luna, Mama Wonyako, the more where, and when I lay here. Ave vene ba kekere ba ma we asuma ya ai we le na ma understand I suspect to Omoruyi Jeff you are a suspect and when I lay here o e Sharon OKPAMEN wu na wa ya si wu le wa ya ri wu le do ora go ba wa ya ti no ati gati no nde you bo and you wa igwadanya you all shocking yourself both the musician, both the actors and the actresses, you all shocking yourself. The only person who would do it in a even like, or first now Peter, that came out and asked for support for this woman, how to bring this woman on the children. Not the account of the Latin. Why will you born here and get out to what to bury? Everybody was on a tag you. Yeah, given we are the griffin go here. Oh boy, my dear, why no? I'm one to about a big griffin, our big griffin. A big griff, okay? If you are one year, where do I'm using a griver? You are using a griver. Simple. Why will you born of Una? That's why I generalize it everybody in the music, drama industry in Benin, entertainers as a whole, comedian, actors or actresses that are in Benin. You guys should turn on for this woman. She has helped the industry a lot. She has promoted people a lot on several occasions. Please share this video. Share this video to all of them. You know, check whether up Azuno, Gobayo, Amato, Yao, where name Gidao, Usi, Ubo, Oluku, all over the angles. You understand? Wow. It's all about you. But the way you're born a woman and I'm Mariwa. To where I'm going. A woman and I won't you in Wapa. I walk back is the 2 million Yahweh. I walk one of one who I take 2 million no more in Wow. Or one and where I'm Wadiowa. In where I will at the bar. Lily Gumabo or Gumabo, and this the funniest part of this girl has been helping the industry. And now, when I'm with the industry, this is the only girl in my deck, use a platform, share a video. Yase Bako Berian. I did tell you, my brother, and my sister. If you lost anybody at all of you kept mute. They do their thing normally. The thing they make me the paro. They don't pretend like say all of the they do all of them are backyard talk, they talk as you see they like backyard, they like gossipy. As you also they say they get squad. This one get squad with the two of them they gossip. That's one of the old people the industry and the industry of gossip. Benin industry, now industry of gossipy. Now so they band, all they are banned. Those musicians they are banned. Now so they gossip what they are banned too. Okay, gentlemen, Roy, the guest squad. My dear, nobody they brainwash anybody. They're not be small picking now. Whether they brainwash. If they brainwash, then I'm saying they not get sense now. So I can't mature. One person come tell me say, this person is not assistant. When I know say that person not do me anything. Even though mama do you something, not be this woman do you anything. If you use the mama sin to punish this woman, not be the man they punish. Now this guy they punish. You understand? Not be mama they punish. Now this guy they punish. Hello?
Hello, brother.
I greet you.
Brother, what's your name? No, it's Sharon, not be a member.
No, yeah. No, you don't see what they suspended the other time. I am.
Okay, they don't just talk about something, they don't just do anything. Why all these people they do like the what here we but what I walk by my yacht in the dog bar now we you bonic me or you walk by one I never do anything, nothing, you'll be like say person know you're that.
No, we'll push the way they do something. Now we want call the comment now. Understand? I'm gonna share this video, maybe they see this video.
Normally, me I don't share, but normally, I'm not taking no video. When mommy have a booyan, ni will take there. You don't see the way they are give, the actor give. You don't see the way they take. Don't see people who need. But all any nakari, you know, they started it.
I want to be that too. Yes, yo.
Money, if you do it's not good now. I mean, me going say, okay, now you're not China. Again, I am here, I'm not again now. Where a condolence, a call, something like that.
I know. Back I go back again. Me arowa.
My brother, can you have to get a sick? You were here.
What? So the truth is say I don't know whether they handle call or they never call. That one I was saying that's why I do this video. So that if you get what they want to do, they do it fast. Understand? And I remember the last time when we say when all these people their misconduct, suspended their president. Don't forget their president name. When they give their suspension, they bring them on social media. They post them, everybody see them. We see and say yes, they take action. So we also need the same action from them now. You understand? Don't be the one that you fold hand and say nothing they happen. Anything they want to, make they do know what they hear. If not post, they want post them, make they post them. If not talk, if not platform, they want me they gather together. They gather together, they do the video, they post them, we'll see them. They go share them. You understand? If they want to put up on one platform, but they put up on one platform, but they share them, we'll see them. If not all of them want to share all the hand members for their page, but they share them for their page. Because if they come one presenter now, they use one presenter platform to post them. All the useless presenter will not get sense, will they jealous. They go still come and say, oh, now you do I use here the one over here. Now we do here. Why they will name why we're here with the Sharon. Why we posting a page or whatever of a page or you on my YouTube channel. Mammy, if I be a blogger, say I'm a fan. Oh, I don't see a presenter my way ahead. Ma don't go a platform well, or Ma don't want a platform well. Here I be home because when I'm say, if I again. I will present it because it before a person, especially with the Mayana, it before water and the boo way or say you want your power. We have it your power in a banner. We are get the Guamao. Nika way, the Macassi again, I can't have it. do com a platform, a problem you read bar. When you ain't married, but also when it's so constant because it must be meet you, young man. Yeah, look, you understand? They are not even thinking about the death now. For their selfish interest, you only have me Facebook or why problem over here. You understand? So, which is not fair. Allow association, you guys should come out and do something. And then at the end of the day, I don't like all those PDP things. And they like open ballots. I hold the my you understand? Soon. Let us team together. A Sharon of York and you understand? A monarchy, yeah, 2020. So I shall if you're boy. I can't go down now. You go allow a year with you. I can have one only. Oh, come on. After drama, why after drama? But I put a bad. I'm always from Dalana. It shall always say, you guys know how to wear. Or I shall not be on the voice, or I'm used to another Sunda. Shana would have also stood and assist. You understand? So, as no reason why you out, withdraw yourself backward. It is not fair. If you don't have any video, why guy, why get go viral? I'll go better. I mean, I will be a get you, but you might make a causa. Any one Latin or don't play that. In no working, Wawa guy, Wawa guy. When I will push a big shadow, a heart on it. What the booking a guy, I can't see Nari Latin. Now we not use. Eh, nothing because no, one of my team may want die or Mona Dio, or say, no, I prefer, I say, a good fund me. A good fund me, Mao. Good fund me, or Emma. No, if you are good fund me, whatever you good fund me. You understand? No, if you are aware direct Nigeria access banking, what buy access bank, you ask you hear what you say. I go with the river, what's the Larina? On your camera, what a buyer access. It's very supposed to be one of the go buses in my cover buses, not buy you. No, you bonnet. But Timana is out. What the access bank, you know? But what here? Because all my problem in the road. I'm here where easy will they buy OKPAMEN or Sharon. Near Mo, because you are only going to cutting at the end of the young bears, young bear, a mamma, member. I feel see so. Every now and now, I'm go Yahweh. Yes, sir. Don't wear my monkey. I got more really. Sharon dog buy or dog boy at the go. My larger should be walking. Now your body shall. You understand? I could not be down on Mokunda, a colabi. All up your house. I want to move that I do it. As she will. Once. Well, yeah, now. Finish. No, way, you know. Hey, I don't know where you won't be. I'm not person. I'm going to get when I'm going to go. What? Allow. I have a junior. I get sick in it. I will know why. They have. No, people want to move. I go on a Latian. As in my well. To move with. Because the hats. I put with my mother. Why you are not if you be. Hey Jeff, don't move well. Oh bueno, what to Lady Jeff Omoruyi? Don't move well. To tell me I will bury your high. I did believe about what I pretend to be really talking. Miami, yeah. Just where a man Masaga. Egg woman. I'm keeping it off from it. I go to me now. In the room. Why I beg you, Daddy? Or can I go to the What if you're Facebook? Bisa kat madori ba bere kero. You could tie to the back believe. Nevertheless, this is what you want. Wallah. What do not see good is I am showing one is my after. What do you go now? I'm showing you what a back better in the home. Don't we code Pierre? Understand? The hair is you going to get out, is you going to add the purpose in the air. And the truth, so all this what they do, so I don't want to take burial first, give up everything burial. And after that, I ain't was the money I really on. Ancien, I want cooking money. Good. As you know, OKPAMEN. OKPAMEN kìíní ẹ̀jẹ̀ gbé wọn mọ́ òun. Jésù lóge ìpanu wa. Babe, do you want to flex this food? No, come. Ẹ ti mi àyíṣà mi. Lọ́sẹ̀ ẹ lè kọ́ mi àrí ẹ̀ bá náà. Get up to give you. Mr. Jeff, this girlfriend. Jeffy, bad guy, no. I'm my guy, I'm my G. You know, I mean, Jeff, my man. Bad guy, no. You want to go in your industry. Jeff, no, you can't pull in your industry. I said, Beboni, Izzy, Sharon OKPAMEN, Jeffy. Jeffy cool, Jeffy Diago. You know what you do bad again. You can't go in your industry. I tested the Jeffy. So Jeffy, okay, Jeffy, now friend, na go easy. Go, na power soap you Ostra. If you don't know what you in Ostra. Jeff. I can't know wow. Who I want to know. A guy, a bad guy, no. I little time in your tap, I said, I thank God for their life, sir. And when I am, I guess you do it. Going as a yeah, they leave you. No one wants to say on you. So I don't know what Doma. When I hear you, what you body like Betty. Could you work be here? Just go like that. There you are, Barak Mona. Say, I could dog make you walk on why you boy, I mean, no. I walk okay, you be. A pie, I'm way though, how you know how you bog will be. However, I wouldn't worry your way be. I would went to you boose. Which are not kid, damn shower, not be true. Forget, say, I first I got before. I've been doing that time of year. And I couldn't not team up in a body again. I tell you, some guy again. I sat down, but what we want to lock up. Now I'm born. I see them when I want to say, oh, yeah, a very nice girl. I don't know they insult me. I said, "But no, we sister no Turkey. I'm in the UK now." Yeah, I take comment. I need to be in the back. What? If I get a small little bit, no, I'll leave them. I understand. How I see her, no money. But he pay me sharp. This guy want to pay me. Not supposed to. Every get a year so go. So not go. Only no on the road, only no way. Easy no. Easy. Okbiere no ya biena. Biere no ya friendly. Easy na you easy na biere na muadi the job me do ku yowa. Ya I like the talk easy, talk easy. I be guess in us can sha. That's why I wanna what that's I wanna why you body. Yeah, that's usaka me ya. É que eu ia dar engenharia respeito vizinha. Quem va. Sharon Izzy. Sakamia was extraordinary. Extraordinary. Emonoma plaster. Just that what to do. We don't wish them this kind of thing. We don't wish all this fun at all. Que more damn engenharia, more respect engenharia. Muje go to the anyhow. And I insult your mother today. Very, very bad. Oh, sorry, Nari. It's a big man. My guy did Nigeria. It did now. The Murphy. The Murphy did Nigeria. Also, a way of good ticket go Nigeria. Bad guy. Oh yeah, Titi. I just pray shall make everywhere good. A true friend, he no go care about what he go talk. May they bury a friend successful, that go stand for. If Izzy was a true friend, now what is she supposed to stand for? How to make sure say they bury our friend successfully. He go use our platform promote these accounts where they put money so. That's how to know a true friend. Because he go here and account of here. I can't your gammy what can't easy. I pin down. If not easy account, I will put for this thing to donate put. Easy for the post and follow the platform. Let us be frank to ourselves. Hypocrisy. You see how wicked the friend can be. I back one will not have or say we no say koi. Ijare wajo. Oga gara account easy areyo. Me, if you ask me, behold, I'm not loud now. The life in now, if you ask me, when I decide to use my platform to raise funds for this our beautiful sister, I discuss it with myself. I say the person account I go choose to put either my own personal account or easy account. Waiting come to my head, either my own. I say if I put my personal account, I know see my fans them to believe me, they go put, and anything where they put, I go still present her. All the receipts where they receive all the money, as they print, I go the calculator, I go post everything, post the amount, post the receipts, they'll go calculate by themselves. Without one that not come out, one that not go join. You understand? Or I'll put easy. Because before I go do anything, let me call the mother. Even while I reading, he came to you could remember you have good fund me. I said, okay, no problem. Open say easy was easy join. Because the money the account not be easy account, and they put the money, and the money they go. To say that easy, they open that good fund your snack bar. If I use all chest, take on how many money, then you know any, because you hear me benefit way. Or not shift, you not might be. That's the case I can do. Miami, yeah. Who are told, Abihan? Wallahu. Wallahu. I will you about the Sharon. Sharon. I will you about the Sharon OKPAMEN. I am a more adju. Eh, I can't in any year at the night. I can't in a low. I mean, I can't know why the first na Peter. Or we don't first na Peter. First na Peter posted a picture again. So please, guys, share this video to Ehan Association, to their president. Let him watch this video. Mr. President, Your Excellency, sir, with due respect, sir, please, your attention is needed in this video. You have to watch this video and do the needful. Men, where I will the union work, our rules and regulation were the leo. You need to talk so that we the social media presenters, we will know we understand who to. It's very important because the way we are that, you understand. If you don't know what you may watch it, may show it. So we have a direct Maria to Chihuahua, while support. You understand? So tomorrow I go do video, I go tag many people. By the grace of God, I'm going to write their name out here, what again here. And I go tag them, I go they call their name one after the other. You understand? I want to go tomorrow by God's grace. So now I mean up. And not many people don't use my mouth ask. Not many people, I don't use myself, my WhatsApp, I don't send that account go give for Sharon. It's about send that account again, I say, yo, they go just people, not everybody they watch me. Some old paper where I just say, I brought alpha about people money for this place. So based on one of our sisters who lost to okay, that way I say that the hard drama say yes, okay, no wala. I don't hear you. I already hear the normal level. You understand? So we did like that. Hello. Let's see how I will run all these things. When I way they call me and they help now. Then help me draw money, help me do this one, help me do this one. I don't want to use math to the draw now. I want to help person, you know. When I use my man, I see the account, they want to put money. I wear, especially the men, it be any raw. It be any whatever we bona, it be any level bona. So I don't bother how it be any level bona. I don't know every time they come out, they're going to make me talk to men. Men, we did this abroad. I don't know where some of them are greedy. The greediness is why. Not be all. After the talk now. Some men don't put money for Sharon. I know some people where said I can't do it. Normally they put money, all bless Sharon. Sharp. I know. Out of all those men, person like Ima Billion, that one separate. That we see, that one separate. West Wisdom, that one separate. Then I still know that, but like I don't want to mention their name. Those one I've seen young men, they don't want to mention their name here. But you might understand. If we are not caring the way we want, my mother is not watching me. I don't understand now. Does it mean so don't feel just give to our own fellow sister just €10? You don't feel just. I don't understand. I don't feel just give our own fellow sister €10 to support her or €5 to support her. If you said you were naijawatch every day, why was of us a opener? Sanoba will be score. God forbid. I don't know what below what they do for me. What bed the food, what did the food beneath them? When we save this. So what I want to move for Amiri. I don't know why our men don't get spirit of giving. They don't have the spirit of giving. Only the women. Acting na woman get the highest donation for my platform. A woman, one particular woman, he put for good for me. He put €100 for good for me. He put 150,000 for this account where I pay so. One particular woman yesterday for UK. Yeah, man, who they grieve since morning now? Everybody will donate this morning now, women. The same thing yesterday. And the first day, now my money. And you say, For you. Greedy Decima. Nobody will go see this young, beautiful woman. We don't go touch. Oh, this one too fine. Just go like that. That one give. That one. Never hear. Say what about her husband? He don't give. Yìí ọmọ bọ́ọ̀sì ẹ yàrá bọ́ yọ yàrá máa gbú àwọn amẹ́ ọmọ bọ́ọ̀sì máa iná nù bí ní mẹ́rin ẹ̀kọ́ sàn. Udé yàrá ni wàá lọ kọ́pì náà ni máa rí wọn náà lọ́jà. If for example bí Sharon yọ dé that just now bí Sharon yọ dé alive saying single bí Sharon yọ bá dé to say I'm single I'm searching wọn á rí yàrá máa ní wé kápẹ́ bí náà ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀. I cap or a cap a king in a says, yes, one beg they to drop 1 million. So go they say just go show breast, me you give you 1 million. Yarima do it, Yarima. I mean no that I didn't look damage. I can never despite me married. Oh Pamaya. Just with my own different for down. Difference is Roman guy. I'm having greedy and greedy now. We all do our life. I make one of these shaky way. Okay, small picky, they will bring small picky with their life. Come when they suffer. Una promo. That day we are saying with them. That day, what do they call this boy? Don Road TV. Don Road TV. When Don Road TV. People with boys will your money for the Road TV. I feel your can men. Now they all measure in the standard. Here why so nearby. Now they just measure the now they just measure their need. Now just measure their needs now. Only those who put money for the routine. We get 2 million plus for the routine now. Now women all through. Hey, for giving. I don't know why it be like that. I don't know why. Now man walk past across. Nowadays now man they walk. Let me see women they do the show now. They already do the show again. All of them they work. Some they do Africa work. Those are they go they wash there. They do different kind of job. What does they give? I make my own. Yeah. If the way they play, if you use travel, then you take play game. No more window cuts. You cannot dash it to TV. It's particularly. I'm on the change to go to see a photo now. That's why I say, oh, this is my come say, one problem, I be your fans, I know they do. I know they do. Me, I prefer to help woman now, help man. Go see Raymond now. Raymond, this stage, you're ready. Your fellow fans, man, one call organ, he use boots, kick that guy for prick. Woman come out, a body guy want to wait with me, say, don't throw away women. You pet women, you hug her, you give her 2 million woman. But man, wait, he kicked the man. Rema, small Rema yesterday. Because the thing for your this I don't blow. Kick her on stage. How you see? Parce que protéger avant ils sont pas igual. Mais de père Gouao avec Tatena, avec musique, avec comédien. Agoda, c'est Agoda. Agoda c'est pas là. Il y a un tiers et deux piquins, c'est dans Agoda. Agoda, ça dit à la. Agosé. Et deux piquins. On voit un nom Bovo. Brother Mike. No, they don't talk about this Sharon there too. All of them know, don't know if they don't talk about them. So don't want they command, just they go to show person command. Say snake they pass there they command. They don't want to consider another conclusion. My brother man are crazy. You understand? I'm going to show love. I leave now. Tomorrow I'll come out. List all their name come out. You know better for saga, or not be saga. I know they follow the do saga. What we need now to give our sister better, befitting burial. You understand? I want to use her and the good saga. That's why I beg Monica the other day say, we will not follow the do saga. Because now where they stand put for Facebook, for TikTok, where they stand put now, me they don't bury this thing for Nigeria. Maybe they are stand, but now back for the growth place. So I just got beg now. I didn't have a saga. Everybody should just stand still and see how we can raise funds for our beautiful sister. See how she's fine, smile. Get one more. Yo, I'll be fine now. But you be on the back. Wonderful. Well, you had that what to do. Marina. Okay. But they cry, you know what they pet me. They cry on the pet. I'm looking. Tears they run through my eyes. When I think about Sharon, water run away my eye. Aye, water run away my eye. When I think about Sharon, water run away my eye. Wash everything like you, huh? Aye, water. When I think about Sharon, water run away my eye. Hey, this one the big mess. Fine up here. The speed of this one. Obi the success money. The success money. My boss. Forget name. Many name where they call successful. The money not is successful. Many people will call their money, say their money they are successful, they are God's name. The source of their money not is successful. So not look name. They are very successful when they get successful money. Yo, baby, you. Bami no be na get bobo kame o. Jesu no give bami no wabi. Bami no be na get one more. Only I sing for you. Get bossy o. I was in him more when I'm my get me a mo. You know you bami no wabi. Bambi no be now get success money okay. I know you dey talk. And now you don't talk. That guy will get tattoo for hand, they carry money, they go party. Go dey spray. Oh, but not easy now. Everybody will spray money for party, get money. So now read the rate. Good. As you know, yo. Pamebio. Pameno, be not get only you need medicure. You need medical pedicure. I could do you medical pedicure tomorrow morning. Do you hear me? You give me a no. Say yes or no, you give me a no. You give me a no. Oh, hi. You give me a no. Huh? You give me a no medical pedicure. Okay, good care. Tomorrow is medical pedicure for my wife. My luxury wife. Luxury wife, where I do cultural marriage for. Dirty wife, they want to do luxury marriage for her. This is my luxury wife with cultural marriage. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Babe, on this one, hit the side, maybe breathe the bloody side. I want to put ice block for you. Here to the hot. Ice block for this center. This center. So that my side go cool. Your side go the hot. Oh my God. And listen for me. And when you listen for me again. Say, Frank, something they hungry you this night. No, I'm a Christian. Oh, I'm a Christian. Now me and my guy this house. We don't do anything. We just brother and sister. I be on him. Show brother and sister. If our bed now we put bridge. We put demarcation. When our body not touch our body, we don't be so good. We use pillow to separate them. That's why me for the do that everything now different from when the damn put. Be Christian, will be Christian, nothing cannot take. My wife is a Christian. She doesn't do those small things. We spoke for maths, but we will not speak for downstairs. What we just need that we just see ourselves, they talk, they discuss, they play, finish. Maybe once, feel yourself bombi, my level. All those ones, they are Christians. I love. Very nice woman. So my dear. Parigo ya can't see ma. I send you yo. I send you yo. I send you yo. I send you yo. Ave. I don't understand this people. You know, you're going on one time. Who the fuck? Say good day for our brother and friend, Mr. Patrick, aka Sir Patrick, lost his father, and as one family, let us support our love and support for him in way of the child say no contribution is so small. Account details below for Canada dollar transfer. So I'm use this or this. Then for Naira, Access Bank, just to fuck say there, so nice one.